Okay. Alright, we're filming. So, as you guys found out on Instagram, I just dyed my hair for the first time. It was fun. Yeah, I'll still use my red wigs. But also, look what just showed up! Okay, so the reason why I have a new blue wig is because this one is losing a lot of hair and it has some bald spots in it. And it needs some help. So, we're gonna replace it, and I'm gonna open it right here, right now. So let's do that, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna leave my hair down for right now, and we're gonna open. Okay. So we're pulling it out, and we have wig caps. I have many of those. I don't need any more. Just kidding, I need more. You can never have enough wig caps. So here she is. Ooh, she's a little long. She's a little wavy too. I like that. We're gonna hold her like a little baby. Yeah, she had one of these in it. Okay. So we're going to. Wait. We're gonna pull her out. Ooh, she looks so cute. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, so we have this packaging. Also, another reason why I want to get this style of wig is because it already has bangs. I had to cut the ones in the other one and it failed miserably. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, that's pretty. I love the bangs. She's so full. Well, much fuller than my other one. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, we're gonna go try this on. Yes. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. I will be right back. Actually, I don't need any more of those. I can just open this one. Okay. I need scissors. Never mind. Alright. Hope this doesn't do anything. That should be good. So I literally just dyed my hair tonight. Because Jenna came over and was like, hey, you want to dye hair? And I was like, I don't know. Sure. And then we texted my mom and my mom was like, sure, just don't do anything crazy. And I said, trust me, I won't. I have wigs for that. It's like, I wouldn't dye my hair crazy because that's what this is for. Alright. I'm going to put this on. Take my glasses off real quick. I was actually thinking I could use my red hair possibly for Fel, my OC. Like I could do like a punk look that I've been planning on doing. I thought the natural red hair would look good. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try this on. I'm going to clip it like I do so. Oh my gosh. It's gonna look so cute. Oh my gosh. See, I'm trying to remember when I got my old one. It was around the same time I got one of my first wigs. Okay. Oh, she's pretty. I love the bangs. Oh my gosh, I need to look in the mirror. Oh, bangs are in my eyes, okay. Alright, hold on. There we go. There's my brush. Get some hair out of that. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. I'm digging it. She's a little shiny, but I love it. Like, I could totally use this for, like, Sally face. Like, oh my gosh, that would be... Because, like, I did need new Sally face because my old Sally face wig, whenever I would put it in ponytails, there would be lots of bald spots in the back. Ooh. Yes. Wait, hold on, I have an idea. Sally who? Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. Love the hair. This one looks so cute now. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's that many, like, I can look, but like, I don't think there's any bald spots. Is there any bald spots? I don't think so. Clean. So cute. Alright, I think that's, I mean, do we want to try on the other wig? We can. Let's try on the other wig. Okay. We're going to, okay, wig is in the way. We're going to try on our old wig here. So here's the old one. Is she still, nope, she's not in ponytails anymore, okay. But yeah, here's the other one. Oh goodness. So like, here's what it looked like. These are the bangs that we had to cut. They look kind of like crap, but. So yeah, here's the other one. It's a little meh, but I love the new one. I'll just compare it. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I think that's enough for this review. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.